What's up, guys? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe, smash that notification button, like this video, follow me on Instagram. So for today's video, this is actually gonna be Vlogmas day 2. Today is the second day of December. Every video that I film, my dogs are look at this. Today is December 2nd. I'm so blessed that it's December because I've been talking about it for a long time and that means it's closer to Christmas. I think a lot of y'all were confused in my last vlog because I said that I don't think I'll be doing all of December. That might not happen. It might happen. If I'm on my A game and I get a lot of videos filmed, then that would be great. But that might not happen. But I'm gonna try my best, okay? Today, I really need to clean my room. And then later today is actually my cheer Christmas party, and I'm so excited about that. Like I said in my last vlog, I was feeling a little bit sick because the other day I took a donut from this kid. Love you. But I think I got sick from that donut. So that's just my theory. So yeah, I wasn't feeling too good. Maybe it was just allergies. But yeah, for our cheer party, the theme is Christmas. I thrifted this shirt, so if you haven't seen my thrift video, then oh my gosh, you can see how messy my room is. Wow, she's looking like a snack. My hair is in this really cute bun also. One other thing, I just launched 3 pieces of merch. So one of them is the one from last time, the looking like a snack. I literally love that one. I wear it to school all the time and it's really cool when y'all send me pictures of it, so make sure to check it out. I'm so excited because I also launched 2 other ones. So one of them is a Christmas one, very festive and cute, and then the second one is my favorite and it's called Man Fam. I don't even know what these are called. It's like those cool cars, like the van cars. The link will be in the description as well as the comment section, so make sure to go check it out and buy yourself some merch. Put it on your Christmas list because Santa might get it for you. Alright, so the first thing that I need to clean, oh wait, so I haven't shown you guys this yet, but I did get a few Christmas decorations. I have this like Santa thing, and then I have these trees, and then I have that thing over there. So we're just gonna clean. It's my favorite thing to do. I need to get Clorox wipes because, oh my gosh, look at my dogs. Hi, Bubba. Why does it look so blue? My mom and dad are eating at this Vietnamese restaurant, so they left me home alone. And then I honestly don't know where my sister is. Here's Lacey. Hi, Lacey. Leo's jealous. He wants me to pet him. This is our Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Let me turn it on. There we go. It is so cute. And then we have our mantle. I think that's what it's called. Our fireplace or whatever decorated. And we got our stockings. And then there's a really ugly picture of me. But we don't need to talk about that. So I also really want a candle. But story time. I left a candle burning in my house all day. It was a Skittles candle. It was the weirdest thing ever. I don't even know who gave it to me, but yeah. Got our disinfecting wipes. Y'all don't even know how excited I am for Christmas. I'm already sweating. Okay, whenever I do this to my dogs, like whenever I go like, or like gasp or something, they turn their heads and it's the cutest thing ever. You have to watch this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. These are my cheer clothes, so they go in my cheer bag. TT got me these Air Force Ones because I am going to Colorado with Ella and I'm going to Europe in the summer. I'm not getting a lot of Christmas gifts this year, which is fine with me because like I don't want a lot for Christmas this year. I just really want to go to Utah for my birthday, which is over spring break. And if my parents could make that happen, I would literally scream and cry. Comment down below though what y'all want for Christmas, because I'm gonna make like a Christmas wish list video, like one of those things. So let me know what y'all want for Christmas. Alright, room is looking much better, very clean. I feel productive, and now I need to let my dogs out. Leo, you could literally be like a dog model. Hi, honey. Oh, I think I'm gonna play outside with them for a little bit. Oh my gosh, I look like a squirrel. Okay guys, so a bunch of people wanted to say hi to the vlog, so we're just gonna read some comments really quick. Let's see, Taylor Birdsong. Did I say that? Yeah. OMG, I love you so much.
Me too.
Shelby with 2 Y's Pierce said hello vlog. Holy Heaven Heron said hi vlog. Peyton Bosick said we need a Pepsi video soon. We do need a Pepsi video. Mina, wait, I don't even know how to say this. You're my idol. Oh, thank you. All right, bye vlog. Okay, I think I'm gonna end that here on this note because I need to go get ready for a Christmas party for my cheer friends and all that stuff. My goal for this whole Vlogmas thing is not to like film each day and then upload. It's just to upload at least 25 times in this month of December. So if there are videos where I'm in the same outfits, that might happen because some days I'm gonna be really busy with school, so I'll just have pre-filmed videos that I can upload for 25 days straight. If y'all like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Santa, tell me a merry little jingle bell, jingle bell, sung by a choir. With you, Dasher, Dancer, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.